In the unseen microscopic world, a legion of creatures moves with alien geometry, precise, eerie, and astonishingly engineered by nature. Rank 10, Tardigrade. Tardigrade. With its cylindrical body and 8 tubular legs, it resembles an extraterrestrial probe, almost indestructible in the microscopic realm. Rank 9, Mantis Shrimp Larva. Mantis shrimp larva. Its crystal-clear exoskeleton, floating spherical eyes, and elongated raptorial arms evoke a glass alien drifting through the abyss. Rank 8, Rotifer. Rotifer. Its crown-like cilia disc spins like an alien microengine coming online. Rank 7, Antlion Larva. Antlion larva. With a triangular armored head and massive sickle-shaped jaws, it looks like an ambush predator from an alien desert. Rank 6, Metallic Springtail. Metallic Springtail. Its reflective metal-like exoskeleton and spherical segments make it resemble an alien alloy micro-robot. Rank Orchid Mantis Nymph. Orchid Mantis Nymph. With petal-shaped limbs and an elongated triangular head, it looks like a predatory life form grown from an alien flower. Rank 4, Parasitic Wasp Larva. Parasitic Wasp Larva. Eyeless, limbless, and cylindrically smooth, it resembles an alien biopod growing within its host. Rank 3, Mayfly Nymph. Mayfly Nymph. A streamlined torpedo body, leaf-like gills, and 3 long filament tails combine into a distinctly alien underwater silhouette. Rank 2, Hellgrammite. Hellgrammite, the Dobson fly larva. With massive scythe-like black mandibles, a tank-like armored body, and rows of fleshy lateral filaments, it rules as the most brutal underwater demon of fast-flowing streams. Rank 1, Dragonfly Nymph. Dragonfly Nymph, the aquatic assassin. Its most terrifying weapon is a folding, spring-loaded labial mask that shoots out like an alien jaw, combined with a rough, prehistoric body and huge compound eyes, making it the ultimate micro-scale killer. These alien-like micro-monsters are not from distant galaxies, but from droplets, soil, and air all around us. When we zoom in, we realize Earth has always been the wildest science fiction set.